Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to help you to determine the molecular geometry of BeCl2 molecule, which is a chemical formula of beryllium dichloride. To understand its molecular geometry, we are first going to look at its Lewis structure. This is the Lewis structure of BeCl2, where beryllium comprises of two valence electron, which is uses in forming single bond with each chlorine atom, and there are no lone pairs available on it. Before jumping to the final geometry, we will always look at the number of bonds central atom forms and the lone pairs attached to it, as both affects the final molecular geometry of the compound. If we look at the 3D structure of this molecule, it has a linear molecular geometry and its bond angle is 180 degrees. Let us now use AXN notation method to see if we are on the right track. So here A stands for the central atom, X are the number of atoms that are forming bonds with the central atom, and N is the number of lone pairs of electron present on the central atom. Here we have beryllium as the central atom. There are two chlorine attached to it and no lone pairs of electron. Now that gives us a notation of AX2. If we refer to this table, we can see that molecules that have AX2 formula have linear geometry with bond angle 180 degrees and sp hybridization. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.